Next, number 3. Several laboratory tests are prescribed for a patient, Ferdinand, and the nurse reviews the results of the test. Which laboratory test results should the nurse report? So, ibig sabihin, alin daw yung i-report natin saan or kanino? Kay doktor. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap natin dito ay abnormal. Okay, so in this case, dapat alam mo yung tinatawag nating normal and abnormal laboratory values. Okay? Sige, let's see. Okay, in this kind of question, ang pwede natin gawin dito is unahin mo muna yung wrong answer. Unahin mo ang wrong answer para hindi ka mahirapan or mas madali mong mahanap yung tamang sagot. Okay, let's see. Number 1, platelets of 35,000 millimeter per cubic millimeter. Normal or abnormal? This is abnormal. Masyadong mababa, tama? Sodium, 150 mex per liter or 150 mmol per liter. Is this normal or abnormal? This is too high, so this is abnormal. Okay? Potassium of 5. Mataas, mababa, mataas. Segmented neutrophils of 40%. So sabihin natin hindi mo alam, nakalimutan mo kasi ang minemorize mo lang ay platelets at sodium. Let's see. Serum creatinine 1 mg. Nakalimutan mo din. Sabihin natin nakalimutan mo. Sa sobrang kaba mo, di ba nakalimutan mo pati ang normal crea. How about white blood cells of 3,000 cubic millimeter? Masyadong mababa. Okay, so mababa. So alam mo na tama si 1, 2, 3, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 6. So ibig sabihin, ano ang magiging sagot mo dito? Answer here is letter D. Okay, sorry, potassium, depende pala to sa ano. Tama pala siya. Normal. Okay, in this case, okay. Letter D is the answer. Bakit? Normal values tayo, okay? Our platelet counts, okay, ang normal value ng platelet count natin is 150 to 400,000.